Ditching Stripe for Verotel on your WordPress site can feel like navigating a minefield. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through it safely. First, deactivate your existing Stripe plugin. Navigate to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard and find the Stripe plugin you're using. Click Deactivate, and then delete. This is crucial to avoid conflicts. Now, let's install the Verotel Payment Gateway plugin. Go to Add New under the Plugins section and search for Verotel. Find the official Verotel plugin. Make sure it's by a reputable developer who avoids security risks and click Install Now, followed by Activate. Next, configure the Verotel plugin. Locate the newly installed Verotel plugin in your plugins list and click on Settings. We'll need your Verotel API keys and other credentials. These are provided by Verotel after you set up an account with them. Enter the information accurately in the respective fields. If you're using WooCommerce, head over to WooCommerce Settings and click on the Payments tab. Make sure Verotel is enabled as a payment gateway. You might also need to adjust settings like accepted currencies and display titles. Thoroughly test the integration. Perform a test transaction using a test card or a low-value real transaction to ensure that payments are processed correctly. Check both successful and failed transaction scenarios. Finally, double-check your website's security. Ensure your site has an active SSL certificate. Keep your WordPress core, plugins, and themes updated. And maintain regular backups of your website in case something goes wrong. Good luck switching to Verotel.